So yeah, we were talking about doing a boat with Montara for myself, and I guess it was like 2 or 3 months ago, and going to check it out right now. They brought it to Orlando for the Less Than 5 event that's happening this weekend here at this Grills place on Lake Fairview. And yeah, this is the first time I get to see the boat, so I'm pretty excited to check it out and show everybody what we've been working on. Oh damn, there she is. Looking pretty fresh. Nice!
What do you think, man?
Heck yeah, looks sick.
Scott Byerly edition.
Looks
Montara.
sick. It's exactly what we were talking about. Yeah.
Look here.
Got the camo. Yep.
Signature. Byerly signature. We changed everything out to orange.
It's popping good. Looks really good. Exactly what I wanted.
We got the orange wave logos on the speaker cans.
Nice.
The shoes.
Look at those rims, man. Wow. That's crazy. We were just talking about it and it's here now.
Yeah. You had some great
Heck yeah.
ideas and we put it together.
Heck yeah.
Awesome,
Looks
man.
great. Yeah.
Congrats. The king is back.
Surf boss. It's great, man. Like exactly what I was envisioning for sure. With the black and gray camo, the orange pops. I think it's sweet.
Hey, we got one more
Definitely.
thing. We printed out your signature.
Nice.
So you get to place it on the boat where you want it, and that's where it'll be on all the wraps.
There?
Yeah, I think it looks better on the back.
Yeah, I like it on the back right there.
This is the official validation now.
Yeah, that looks sick like that. I like that.
There it is.
What do you think?
There it is.
Like
There?
It is.
Well, let me show you some stuff inside the boat.
Yeah, that looks good on
we
the
did
speakers.
The wave logos on the speakers.
Yep. This looks good on here.
Have a seat. We did all the billet in black for you.
Oh, sweet. Wow.
And when you turn on the key, instead of the regular Montara startup screen, you get something a little bit different.
Oh yeah, look at that. Custom, baby.
That is sick.
Oh, nice. Look at the engine. Damn, that's sweet. That looks sick. Yeah, that looks super cool.
PCM 6.2.
Hell yeah, man. Looks really good. Yeah, I can't believe it. You guys turned it around this fast. We were just talking about it 3
We
months
try and
ago.
work fast. We're nimble.
Yeah, this is the perfect event for it, for people to see what is possible behind this boat.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Awesome.
Oh yeah,
Congrats,
thank
man.
you. Appreciate it, man.
Congrats. You're
It's
welcome.
awesome. Can't believe it.